Today in the cryptocurrency news, a crypto capital executive has been indicted in New York. The National People Congress in China passed a cryptography law. Bakkt Bitcoin Futures had its best day of trading volume with an increase of 257% in a day. And a few more stories. Let's dive right in. Hello everyone, I'm Mark and welcome to O Trading. So today on Cointelegraph, we learned that a crypto capital executive has been indicted for 3 criminal counts in the southern districts of New York. Oz Joseph has been indicted on conspiracy to commit bank fraud, and conspiracy to operate an unlicensed money transmitting business. Crypto Capital was one of the former payment processor of Bitfinex, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchange. In a recent filing, Bitfinex tried to distance itself from Crypto Capital by establishing themselves as a victim. Bitfinex explained that Crypto Capital was their payment processor for years and that Bitfinex was relying upon its representative, including Oz Joseph, which eventually turned out to be misleading. The exchange claimed, and I quote, "Among those misrepresentations, Crypto Capital regularly referred to its integrity, banking expertise, robust compliance program, and financial license. This was designed to assure us that Crypto Capital was capable of handling Bitfinex transactions." Let's see what will happen with this court case, as Bitfinex is also having some trouble with the court in New York. Moving on to CoinDesk, we learned that the National People Congress in China just passed a cryptography law on Saturday that will be effective on the 1st of January 2020. This announcement came one day after the president of China, Xi Jinping, called on the country to seize opportunity in the blockchain technology. Apparently, one of the main causes of this amazing jump in price on Friday. Remember, on Friday, Bitcoin hit 30% increase in 24 hours. Just amazing. This new law is aiming to tackle emerging regulatory and legal challenge in commercial cryptography use case, in hope of encouraging research and development on commercial cryptography technology. On Cointelegraph, we learned that Bakkt, the Bitcoin future launched by the Intercontinental Exchange just over a month ago, had its best day of trading volume on Friday, with 1,183 Bitcoin future contract or $11 million exchanged. This is an increase of 257% versus the previous day. This high trading volume on Bakkt seems to have been fueled by the Chinese news. Let's hope that their trading volume keep on growing, as this is a great product to get more institutional money in the cryptocurrency space and helping fueling better price for Bitcoin. By the way, if you like this video, smash the like button, comment and share this video with your friends. This really helped me growing these channels. Thank you. On EthereumWorldNews.com, we learned that despite the huge increase in Bitcoin price, hodlers keep on hodling their Bitcoin. I remind you that last week we started at around 7,400 to finish the week with a high of $10,600 American, with almost all the action happening in a few hours on Friday. The most epic spike in price since many years in Bitcoin history. Currently, it appears that most Bitcoin hodlers did not sell their coins. On all transactions that occurred during this month on the Bitcoin blockchain, only 1.7% of the Bitcoin that exchanged hands were Bitcoin that are older than 6 months, proving that a very large majority of the Bitcoin hodler kept their Bitcoin safe in hope of a much higher price. Totally agree with you. Back on Cointelegraph, in China, we learned that on WeChat, the most popular messaging apps, the search for blockchain and Bitcoin has skyrocketed during the weekend. This also includes search for A-share firms, and as the Bitcoin price skyrocketed as well, hitting up to 30% increase in a day, the A-share stocks maxed out at their 10% daily increase limit. To give you an example in the increase in search in number, On the 23rd of October, blockchain had 777,000 search and Bitcoin 572,000 search. On Friday the 25th, blockchain had 9.2 million search and Bitcoin 1.3 million. This is clearly fueled by the President of China endorsement of blockchain technology. But to add fuel on the fire, today the head of the technology department of the People's Bank of China had urged banks to ramp up their application of blockchain for digital finance. This is great news for any Bitcoin hodlers. And with the increase of news coming from China related to blockchain, I will not be surprised if they announce the launch of their national digital currencies in the next months. Remember that back in September, there was a few rumors that this digital yuan could be released in around November. So let's hope that this is happening. That will be amazing for the blockchain space. Remaining on Cointelegraph and in China, we learned that Neo and Tron, as well as many other Chinese cryptocurrencies, are having amazing days. Neo gained around 30% today and Tron 25%. This is definitely resulting of all the positive news coming from China. We also learned that many officials in China that previously took some negative stands on Bitcoin and blockchain are currently deleting their old posts. Back in the day, it used to be the opposite, when articles promoting blockchain technology were deleted very fast or banned. Now it seems that anti-blockchain articles and posts are the newest ban team in China. That's perfect with me. Moving on to the daily cryptocurrencies price update, we have today Bitcoin at $9,350, a decrease of 0.5%. Ethereum at $183, an increase of 1.12%. Bitcoin Cash is at $265, an increase of 4.02%. Monero is at $60, an increase of 4.97%. Litecoin is at $58, an increase of 1.37%. Binance Coin is at $19, an increase of 3.96%. EOS is at $3.35, an increase of 5.79%. Ripple is at 29 cents, an increase of 0.37%. Cardano is at 4 cents, an increase of 3.66%. Stellar Lumens is at 6 cents, an increase of 2.75%. Moving on to our daily movers, our daily winner of the days. Bytom with an increase of 52.59%. Nulls with an increase of 30.16%. Nebulas with an increase of 27.91%. And our daily loser of the days, D-Market with a drop of 15.09%. Siren Labs with a drop of 10.72%. Redcoin with a drop of 9.14%. Don't forget that there's just a few days left to participate to my Bitcoin giveaways. And if you like this video, so I post new videos on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So subscribe to this channel for more of these videos. Thank you very much to have watched this video till the end. And don't forget to smash the like buttons. Thanks and see you on Wednesday.